Dear friends, today we have the session about multiple godowns and stock category and bill of materials. Here we introduce the multiple godown concept and the multiple stock category concept and the new concept of bill of materials, which means bill of materials means some manufacturing journal regarding, because one stock items is a finished goods, we consider as a finished goods. The stock item must be assembled or produced by many of the raw materials. What is the raw material components is called bill of material for the finished goods, bill of materials. So we clearly get the knowledge about bill of materials and how to handle the multiple godowns and stock categories. Okay, let's let us consider the company name. New World Tech Coimbatore was started on 1/5/2020. The transaction for May 2020. The first May 2020 raw material purchase on credit from Onway Technologies, Chennai, goods store in accessories godown. We purchased the raw material from Onway Technologies. Then we store the goods at accessories godown. This is a purchase voucher. So the shortcut key is F9, purchase. The raw materials are Intel motherboard, Dell motherboard, Intel monitor, Dell monitor, ATX cabinet, Intel keyboard combo, Dell keyboard combo, Intel hard disk, Dell hard disk, Intel RAM and Dell RAM. So we are the company for assembling the computers. We produce the computers from raw material assembly. Okay, then we purchase the 50 numbers of each items. ATX cabinet only we get 100 numbers, and with different rate, different items have different rates, and some of the HSN code is common for the items because all items are similar nature items. So the keyboard and other input devices have the same HSN code 847160, and the USB drive and other storage service devices getting 847170. So the storage devices, the different HSN slightly different. 60 is the input devices, 70 is the storage devices, but the GST rate is common, 18% only. So I classify two type of stock group here. One is raw material input, raw material storage. Why the reason I split two raw material stock group? Because I idea to here set the GST rate in the stock group, because multi stock items we have, but we have only two HSNs. Two HSNs means some in one HSN have multiple stock items. So I grouping the multiple stock items for the similar HSN stock items. Like I create the stock group raw material inputs by via I create the stock item groups, and I set the GST rate and GST HSN in stock group also, stock group. So I get the single HSN entry but multiple stock item getting the same HSN. So I here I give the GST rates and HSN details in stock group via. So please clearly you note that. Okay, then we create this stock group. Two types of stock group we have: raw material input and raw material storage devices. Okay, then here you see not only two groupings, and Intel and Dell have the parallel group. Okay, the group is a input device group, and storage device group is a main group. The parallel group is Intel is separately Intel i3, Intel monitor, Intel keyboard, Intel hard disk, Intel RAM is some of the another parallel group. Parallel group is called as category. Also, I give here two categories. One is Intel, another one is Dell, and I see two groups here. One is raw material input, raw material storage for HSN creation purpose. Then the second transaction is goods transfer transaction. 1/5/2020, the following goods are transferred to assembling godown from accessories godown for assembling work. For assembling work, we transfer the goods from accessories godown to assembling godown. The Alt F7 is a voucher shortcut key. The voucher is stack journal. Only Intel items and ATX cabinet 50 numbers is transferred to assembling godown. The total is a different voucher. Okay. The 1/5/2020 45 numbers of Intel Core i3 is a new stock item. We create a finished goods is a computer. So the HSN code is 8471 were assembled. 1/5/2020 we assembled the new item. Wages rupees 10,000 occurred, and the items are stored to finished goods godown. When we clearly assembled the finished goods stored in finished goods godown. The following raw materials are required to assemble one number of Intel Core i3. For Intel Core i3 create assembling purpose, we need one Intel Core computer assembling purpose. We need each one of these. Only these. Okay, this is also Alt F7, but here we modify or create the stock journal, another stock journal name as manufacturing journal. Okay, the fourth one is we give the wages 10,000 rupees to Sadish Kumar A through NEFT, the company accounting with ICBI Bank Coimbatore. So we pay through the bank. Okay, 1/5/2020, fifth one is 1/5/2020 sold 25 numbers of Intel Core i3 with rate 35,000 quantity to Computer World, Coimbatore on credit F8. Here we assembled and produced a new stock item, and so we sold to that goods to the customer, Computer World. Okay. The scenario is finished here. The step-by-step algorithm I clearly given. First we create the company, go to gateway of Tally, company info, create. So I move to Tally, create company. The name is Onway Technology. New World Tech. New World Tech. Address is Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. State as a Tamil Nadu. Leave it, skip or leave it. The financial year, every financial year beginnings with 1/4/2020, but book beginning date here I give 1/5/2020. So I finished to create the company. Just wait. Yes, new value tech is created. Then I move to activation. Here, three type of activation here because the invoice vouchers are involved and bill wise details we should maintain. So we check F11 features, F1 accounting features. These three are enable or not, or activate or not. Then to go to gateway of tally, F11, F2 inventory features. We give the special option multiple godown yes, maintain stock category yes. Go to gateway of tally, F11, F3 statutory and taxation feature. Enable goods and services tax is a must yes. Set or alter GST details must yes, we give it. Okay. Only purpose for this option enable, we give our company GST numbers. Okay. So we activate these steps. We are in the gateway of tally. I press F11. Accounting features. I check maintain bill wise detail is yes. Enable invoicing yes. Record purchase in invoice mode yes. So totally I finished accept yes. Then I move to inventory features. Yes. Maintain multiple godown yes. Maintain stock category yes. Just I finished. Then I move to statutory and taxation. The first one is yes. Second one is I give yes for to insert the our GST number. State, whether state is Tamil Nadu is correct. It's a regular. GSTN or UAN number is the general format of the GST is first 2 digit is state code, another 10 digit, next 10 digit is PAN number, then 13th digit is entity code, 14th digit is blank space, 15th digit is checksum digit. So I give a dummy 33 ASDFG 1 2 3 4 A1 ZA. Okay, I give. It's a dummy number, so invalid accepted. Here I give the invalid EY bill applicable no. Then if enter fully accept yes or no. That's only these three features are activated. Then we move to the creation. Creation is a long process. Just listen carefully. The first one is ledger creation. Ledger creation, purchase, sales, on-way technologies, computer value, wages, central tax, state tax, ICBI, bank. Okay, first we create ledger, accounts info, ledger, create, name as purchase, under group purchase account, inventory values are affected yes. Is GST details, GST applicable is applicable. Okay, I don't activate here for the GST because I said that the yearly we hear this this scenario. Idea to create or set the GST rate and HSN details if for the creation in stock group area. Okay, set or alter GST details no. Type of supply as goods is correct thing. Enter finished it. Then I move to sales ledger. Under group sales account, inventory values are affected yes. Is GST applicable yes. I give no here, and type of supply is a goods. I finished it. Then I move to parties ledger creation. Parties ledger creation means Onway Technologies sundry creditor, computer world is a sundry debtors. Onway Technology Onway Technologies under group sundry creditor. Maintain balance will be bill yes. Here the PAN number is a dummy format 1234. A is given for our company's PAN, so I give the 10th digit as B. Same numbers included for my GST. Okay, the GST 33 ASDFG 1234B 1ZA. So it's a dummy number. It's finished it. And then computer world. Computer world under group debtors. Maintain balance will be bill yes. Here I give the PAN number for computer world ASDFG1234C. So GST number is same ASDFG1234. Here I give C 1ZA. I finished. Then I move to the expenses ledger, wages. Wages is direct expenses. Inventory values are affected. No. GST applicable. Yes, applicable. Type of supply is not a goods, is a service. Nominally I select it, is not affect our transaction, so it's not a problem. Or you give GST applicable, not applicable. Is it easy? Then tax ledger, central tax and state tax. Central tax under group duties and taxes. Type of duty is GST. Tax type is a central tax. Don't give the percentage for calculation. Then state tax. Duties and taxes under group. Type of duty is GST. Tax type is a state tax. Just I enter clearly. Then the final one is ICBI bank account. ICBI bank account. You know the account number is minimal 13 digit, so I give 13 digit. Okay, then the IFSC code is first the 11 digit alpha numeric. First 4 digit is a alpha. Here ICBI, so ICBI is a first 4 letters. The 5th letter must comes 0. Every IFSC code have the 5th digit is 0 only. So is a common. So I give here 0. Then 6 digit alphabets are numeric. Branch as a Coimbatore. Coimbatore, and I finished here. If you idea to given the GST number for bank, you have the data, you entered. Okay, it's a now we practice and we give the dummy GST number. So I give same continuous dummy 33 ASDFG 1 2 3 4 D. Okay, 1 jet A is a finished one. Clearly we create ledgers. Then we create the stock group creation. Stock group creation, you know the path. Go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group create. I earlier discussed to you. I idea to create the raw material inputs primary and the raw material storage is a primary, and then the new product that means Intel Core i3 is also one of the stock item. I group this stock item. The stock group name is finished goods. So I create the finished goods groups also here. And also we discussed to you this examples, these scenarios. I idea to create and set the GST rate and the HSN details given in the in stock group creation plan. Okay, so you can easily see how to set the GST details in stock group creation screen. First I copy to the raw material. Just I move to gateway of Tally, accounts, inventory info, then the stock group create. The name is raw material inputs. As a under group is a primary. I use quantity of item to be ordered is no. The set or alter GST details I give yes. Here we can see the HSN details and taxability, and also the all tax rate is easily. If in case you can't see this full detailed area, you press F12. Here I give the demo. I press F12 here. The HSN SAC details is yes, so this appears with HSN SAC details. If in case here this is no, we can't see the HSN and description. So if in case you can't see this HSN and description details, here the screen, you press F12 to configure, and then you give allow HSN or SAC details yes. So valuation type is yes. So all GST tax type is yes. Okay. Here already this is activated. So it's not a problem. Here the description. The first one description is input. So the keyboard and other input devices. I select and I type it. Then the HSN code is 847160. I copy and I paste. Then the taxability is a taxable only 18% here. I give it and created it. Then the second one is the raw material storage. Set or alter GST detail yes. The HSN code and the description is USB device and other storage devices yes. Copy and then paste. HSN code 847170. 847170 is a taxable only 18%. Is it easy? I accept. Then we create the finished goods. Finished goods under primary. GST details I give yes. Description is computer or laptop, and HSN is 8471. Description is computer or laptop. HSN is 8471. The last 4 digit is a 0. Is a taxable. 18% same. Okay, easily we create the stock groups, and then unit of measures, symbol is NOS, formal name is numbers. So I move from gateway of tally, inventory info, unit of measures, create NOS, the formal name is numbers. Then I select unit quantity code list, some numbers, decimal places we don't know, we don't have, so is enough. Then we move to the another master creation, stock category. Here Intel and Dell is the two stock category here. So we go to gateway of tally, inventory info, stock category, create inventory info, stock category, create name as a Intel, under is a primary, then Dell under also primary. Okay, here I create stock category, then we move to another master creation, godown. Godown, you know, accessories godown, assembly godown, and finished goods godown. So first we create accessories godown, same path, inventory info, godown create. Escape, gateway of tally, inventory info, godown, create. First godown as accessories godown. Okay, it's not a problem. Another is assembling godown. Assembly godown is enough. Then finished goods godown. Easily we create three godowns, and we move to stock item creations. It's a raw material stock item creations, and then we create the final finished goods stock items. Finished goods stock item creation. After that, after the raw material creation screen. Here the raw material have more than 12. So we idea to create the stock item in multi-mode. So, and also I give the clear table. The first one is name, second one is raw material, before hard disk, before the raw material is input, final 4 is raw material storage. Okay, then the category I given Intel, Dell, ATX is not blanks, Intel and Dell, so I give not applicable, and the unit of measure is common, so easily we create. Now please follow me. Stock item, single vana, single we don't know, we get we create via multi. Under group is all item. The first one is Intel motherboard. Intel motherboard. Under group is raw material inputs. Category is Intel. Unit as a number. Then second one is Dell i3 motherboard. Okay, enter. Raw material inputs is a under group. Category as Intel. It's not a Intel, it's a Dell. The numbers. Then Intel 18 inches TV, 18 inches monitor. Enter. Raw material inputs is a Intel numbers. Then Dell 18 inches monitor. Adhe same input said Dell, so I select Dell is a cost category, it's a stock category. Then the numbers, ATX cabinet, raw material input, is not applicable. ATX is is a separate brand, so we cannot consider the stock category for this, so I give not applicable. Okay, then I select the numbers. That's why move Intel keyboard. Is a raw material input, Intel numbers. Then we move to Dell keyboard compo. Under raw material inputs, Dell unit of measure as a number. Eighth one is hard disk, Intel hard disk. Storage is a Intel, so I select Intel. It's a number. Then Dell hard disk. Okay, so raw material storage is a Dell, is a number. The final two is Intel RAM 4GB. Raw material storage is a Intel, okay, number. Dell RAM 4 GB, storage, then the category is Dell, numbers, here we finished raw material stock item creation. Now we move to another stock item creation. The finished goods creation. Finished goods creation name Intel Core i3, under group is a finished goods. Category is not applicable if in case you give the category as Intel, because we create the Intel based finished goods, so we give the category as a Intel. Now I give a category as not applicable for some no consideration purpose. In the raw material I give the classification, but in a finished goods I don't give, because I have only one finished goods. Okay, so I give only one. The finished goods is a group, under group only. Category is not applicable. The units as a numbers. Then we finished F12 to enable the list details, bill of materials. You give the yes from clicking F12 or press F12. Okay, after that we give the yes, and then the stock item creation have the activation alter components BOM. Yes, they ask the name of the BOM, and the BOM name component of unit manufacturer of unit of manufacturer, and this table also they ask. We filled it easily. Okay, I give it right demo. So I move to single stock item creation screen. The name is Intel Core i3. Intel Core i3. Yes, is the name is correct. Intel Core i3. Under group is finished goods. Unit as numbers. Here automatically comes set components BOM. Yes, already I give the yes from the F12 configuration. If in case you don't comes just another of the units, it's moved to next column. The set components BOM is not comes, it's moved after units as a number after GST applicable or not. Okay, then you press F12 configuration. F12 configuration, I give the demo. F12 configuration, the last one is, you see the enable component list details bill of materials, you give yes. So the option is enabled. Okay, I give yes here. The name of the BOM I type for my identification is a Intel Core i3, same name as a stock item, Intel Core i3. The unit of manufacture is one item gets. Yes, our examples gives one item gets one number of Intel Core i3 gets these one numbers. So unit of manufacture here is one numbers. The item is Intel motherboard. First I select Intel motherboard from assembly guidon. Okay, assembly guidon have the have produced the finished goods. So assembly guidon from the raw materials it moves as a finished goods. So I take assembly guidon, quantity is 1, then motherboard, then monitor, Intel 18 inches monitor, assembly guidon 1 number, then ATX cabinet, assembly guidon 1 number, then keyboard compo, assembly guidon 1 number, then hard disk 1 number, assembly guidon 1 number, then RAM, Intel RAM, where is it? Okay, is not a problem. So we create by via Alt plus C, because we forget to create Intel 4GB RAM 4GB. So now I create by using Alt plus C, online creation shortcut key. Alt plus C is the shortcut key for online creation, master creation. The name as Intel 4GB RAM under is storage, category as Intel, unit numbers, don't give the component. Yes, here Intel assembly guidon 1 numbers. So I finished the BOM, then again I finished. Okay, easily you give yes. Then we move to next algorithm. Is a create manufacturing journal. Create manufacturing journal. Yes, create manufacturing journal. We go to gateway of Tally, accounts info, voucher type, create, name as a manufacturing journal, voucher type as a stock journal, use as manufacturing journal. Yes, only 3 points we noted. First one is name. Name is given by as for our identification purpose. Is a terminology for this voucher title name as manufacturing journal is a right terminology. So we give same manufacturing journal. Voucher type is a stock journal. You must know voucher type as stock journal. Use as manufacturing journal as yes. When you give the yes here, the any journals, any vouchers must change manufacturing journal. So when I give the name as manufacturing journal, I forget to give use as manufacturing journal. Yes, here the manufacturing journal, your named manufacturing journal does not act as a manufacturing journal. Okay, so you give yes as use as manufacturing journal. Yes, then you easily watch out three options must to create manufacturing journal. Okay, first we give the name. First of all, we move to voucher type creation screen. get way of tally, accounts info or inventory info, voucher type, create, name as manufacturing journal, type of is stock journal, this option, use as manufacturing journal, you give yes. Clearly you understand or not? Yes, understand. Then we move to voucher entries. Voucher entry means example 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. The first example is long process bill, totally 11 items like that. Yes, there are 11 items here, and rates also 11 rates also. 8x cabinet only get the quantity 100, another stock item get 50 numbers only. Okay, I enter the voucher, first voucher. This is the purchase voucher, so I move accounting voucher, F9 purchase voucher. F9 purchase, date is 1/5/2020, so it's not a problem. Party's name as Onway Technology, purchase ledger, purchase, name of the item, the first item is motherboard, so Intel motherboard, godown as accessories godown, we receive the goods at accessories godown, quantity is 50, rate as 5500. Adutha, next same motherboard Dell, quantity godown as accessories godown, quantity 50, the rate is 4500. Then we move to the another one is monitor, Intel monitor, godown, accessories godown, quantity 50, rate 4500. Then also monitor is a Dell, godown is accessories, quantity 50, rate as 4800. Then ATX cabinet, godown accessories, quantity 50, 100, is not a 50, 100, rate is 90, 900. Then keyboard mouse, Intel, accessories, quantity is 50, the rate as 1000. Then Dell keyboard, accessories godown 50, thousand, 100. Okay, then hard disk, Intel hard disk, accessories godown, quantity 50, rate is 2500. Dell hard disk, Gudon accessories, Gudon, 3,000 rupees. Quantity is 50, 3,000 rupees. Intel RAM, Gudon, already we created Intel RAM as a Gudon. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, Gudon accessories, quantity 50, rate as 2000. Then we move to Dell. Okay. Quantity is 50, rate is 1500. Here we finish the stock item listed. So I enter the bank, it's moved to ledger column. I select central tax. The total amount is comes. Then state tax. So totally it comes the central tax and state tax. The total amount is 18,99,800. So I create the purchase voucher. Okay, then I move to second voucher. The following goods transfer to assembly Gudon from accessories Gudon. These 6 items moves. Okay, the Alt F7, inventory info. It's not a inventory info, inventory voucher. It's a stock journal here. Again I press Alt F7. Okay, now I select the stock journal, given the name as the first name as Intel i3, Intel i3 motherboard, which Gudon is a accessories Gudon to assemble Gudon. Accessories Gudon, quantity is 50, just wait. We alter the previous purchase voucher. All items we purchased 100 number, 50 numbers. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, we give the correctly. I doubt. Okay, all of us correct. So just move to same voucher, the next voucher. Next voucher, Alt F7, stock journal, inventory voucher. Stock journal is here. The name of the item is motherboard. Intel, $15 numbers, godown as accessories godown, 50 rate is comes automatically. Then monitor, Intel monitor, same accessories godown, 15 numbers. Okay. Then ATX cabinet, accessories godown, 15 numbers only. Then keyboard, Intel keyboard, accessories godown, 50 numbers. Then hard disk, accessories godown, 50 numbers. The final RAM, accessories godown, 50 numbers, 2000 rupees is comes automatically. Then this is the source area, the goods comes from. This is the destination area. Destination godown we give same the left pan, we give the right pan same. Okay, the first one is motherboard. The godown as the received godown is assembly godown, quantity 50, rate is comes automatically. Then is monitor, Intel monitor, assembly godown, 50 numbers. Then ATX assembling godown, 50 numbers. Then keyboard, assembly godown, 50 numbers. Then hard disk, Intel, assembly godown, number is 50, automatically amounts come. The final one is 4 GB RAM, assembly. Then 15 numbers. You can see each side equal quantities and equal amount. Okay, here we enter complete transaction correctly. I finished it. Then we create manufacturing journal here. So I give Alt plus F7 again for manufacturing journal opening. Is a manufacturing journal. The stack journal is transferred clearly. Okay, name of the product Intel Core, Intel Core i3 godown. I give Intel Core i3. The items comes automatically because I give the BOM in Intel Core i3 creation screen. Okay, the godown is finished goods godown. Number of quantity is 45. So we don't change anything. Okay, we crash the subject, and then if in case any product manufacturing time, we get not only main product, some co-product scrap also comes here. Not come the scrap anything, because we are the not manufacturing, we are one of the manufacturing, like totally assembled concern. So we don't have this scrap anything. Only type of allocation additional cost, wages 10,000 rupees is appears. So I give select wages, it's not a percentage. Then I give 10,000. Here we change 45 each of the 45 each of the raw materials is converted to 45 computers. Okay, then we move to 1/5/2020 settled the wages to Sadish Kumar. So I move to the accounting voucher. Accounting voucher payment, FI payment is ready to use. Here date is 1/5/2020, it's not a problem. DR is a wages. It's a 10,000 rupees. ICBI Bank. So e-transfer, so I select e-transfer. The employee's account number, IFSC code, branch name also given us. So I leave it blank. He entered clearly. Then sold 25 numbers of Intel Core i3 with rate 35,000 Computer World. Okay. Here F8 sales, now sold 25 number of goods. Party's name is Computer World within boundary. So central tax, state taxes appear. Sales entry, the name of the item is Intel Core i3. From the godown, accessories, sorry, it's not accessories, it's a final goods godown have 45 numbers of Intel Core i3. So I select here the quantity of Intel Core i3 here 25. So I give 25. Skip here the rate of inclusive of tax, whether it comes, skip here. If in case does not come, so don't bother about it. Okay, I give the rate on rate column. Amount is 35,000. Total 8,75,000. The name of the items, number of items is finished. Then we move to central tax and state tax. Then state tax. Okay, then we've finished it. Easily you can understand here. So lot of BOM details we entered. So where we get the voucher report, that means not only voucher report, this concept report. Gateway of tally, stock summary. Alt F1 is a detailed concept. You get clear update. Not only here, you may go display inventory books and statues, statement of inventory also given. You check whether its option is report is workout. Okay, then we move to the algorithm. So, and also the transfer as a class, we create easy to enter the stock item branch to branch of our branches. Okay, our godowns also. Okay, is easy to create voucher class transfer. Okay, when you create the transfer voucher class, accounts info or inventory info, alter, select the journal, the name of the classes transfer, use class for inter godown transfer is yes. Okay, then the transfer entry, is it easy? This is your activity. Okay, get the notes clearly. Okay, I give two activities. One is BOM concept, another BOM concept. This is the BOM concept. Another one is transfer the class. Okay, so thank you. Now I finished my session. We will meet the next session. Once again, thank you.